Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we're going to add some variation to the cars, so we don't always see the same car driving. Okay, so let's get started. So, first we want to go to the models folder, and you can see we have car 11, car 12, 13, and so on until the 33. So we have in total 9 different normal cars. Okay, so let's first go to the car 11. Let's open it. Here, let's go to the show. Let's go to the simple collision. We can see the collision that we created on the last episode. Now, what we want to do, we want to go here to the right to the details, and we want to scroll down. And where we have the collisions here, primitives, let's click on that. And now you can see we have boxes, we have 5 elements. These are all the collision boxes that we added. So let's right click on these boxes and click copy. Let's save, let's close, let's go to the car 1, 2. Here we can just paste these collisions because this is the same car with a different color. So let's scroll down until the primitives and to the boxes. Actually, first we have to delete the old collision. So let's go to the collision, remove collision. Now you can see everything is saying 0. Now let's go to the boxes and paste. Now when we go to the show, simple collision, you can see we have the same collision on this car. Okay, let's save, let's close, let's go to the car 1, 3. And also here, the same thing. We have one collision. Let's remove that. Let's go to the boxes. Let's paste. Let's go to the show. Let's show simple collision so we can see it. Okay, that's good. And now on the next car, we will have to do some adjustments. So car 2, 1, let's open it. And here we will have to delete the old collision. We will have to paste the collision to the boxes. Let's show the simple collision. Now you can see we will have to adjust these a little bit. So what we want to do, let's just click on this top one. Let's move it down like this. Also this one here, let's move it down. Let's actually rotate that a little bit. I think something like that maybe. Also, let's make this a little bit smaller. It doesn't have to be that big. Okay, and now this one here on the front, let's move it and rotate it a little bit. So I think that is actually fitting the car pretty nicely. Only the spoiler is a little bit too big. So let's make that a little bit smaller. Move it here, a little bit down. So yeah, as you can see, the collision is looking a lot better now. So now we want to copy this collision from the boxes. So let's copy, let's save, let's close, let's go to the car 2, 2. And here, let's go to the collisions. Let's remove the collision first. Let's paste this to the boxes. And let's check that it's the right one. And as you can see, it's the right one. So let's save, close, and here on the car 2, 3. Let's do the exact same thing. So let's remove collision, scroll down, paste boxes, and show simple collision, and it's all right. And now on the third car, so let's close this and go to the car 3, 1. Here we will have to do some adjustments again, but first let's remove the collision. Let's scroll down and paste to the boxes. And now let's show it so we can see what we want to adjust. So the first thing that I noticed here is I think I want to actually delete this spoiler thing, or not actually delete. Let's move it a little bit downwards, scale it a little bit bigger like that. Okay, so it's like, it can be like maybe there. Okay, I will have to change the camera speed to a little bit smaller, slower. Okay, and now this front one, this is not good in my opinion, so let's rotate it a little bit more, maybe like this. Let's move it downwards, closer to here. So now, actually, let's make it smaller. So yeah, you just want to make the collision fit the car a little bit better. It doesn't have to be perfect, but better you make it, the better it will basically represent the shape of the car. So now if we hit jump from here and we hit this part in the air, we will basically hit the car, but it doesn't matter in my opinion. But yeah, you can obviously make it even better if you want. But now, after you have done, let's copy it again here from the boxes. Let's right click and copy. Let's save, close, and let's go to the car 3.2. And here on the car 3.2, let's remove collision. Let's scroll down. Let's paste until to the boxes. Let's show the simple collision. As you can see, it's good. Let's save. Let's close. Car 3.3. Let's do the same thing here again. So let's remove the collision. Let's scroll down. Let's paste the boxes. Let's show that we have the right collision, and we do have. So let's save and close. Now, what we want to do, I think we want to do this on the car blueprint. So let's go to the blueprints, obstacles, and moving car horizontal. Okay, here what we want to do, we have this car, yeah, and let's actually check that if we change the, you don't have to do this, I will just check, double check. Okay, even when we change those like the car mesh, the dead collision is still pretty much there. Let's actually move it a little bit further, like until the like the hood, like the face of the car, basically. So it's there. So now when we change this back to the car maybe 2, you can see it's still there, the good position. Yeah, okay. I think that's pretty good. Now let's go to the event graph and let's add a begin play event. Event begin play. And here on the event begin play, what we want to do, it is simple as we want to get the car. And we want to set static mesh like this. Now from the static mesh, new mesh, we want to get a select node like this. And now let's add pins. Let's add all the cars that we want to add. So option 0, let's search for a car, car 1.1, option 1, car 1.2, option 2, car 1.3. And actually, let's move this even further up because we have so many of those options here. Option 3 will be the car 2, so car 2.1, option 4, car 2.2, option 5, car 2.3, option 6, car 3.1, option 7, car 3.2, and option 8, car 3.3. Okay, so we have in total of 9 options from 0 to 8. So now from the index we want to get a random integer in range like this. And let's set it to be minimum to be 0 and max to be 8, or how many options you have. So now when we compile, save, and go to play, we can see that our actually we don't have the intersection here, so let's try again. Okay, so now I got one that spawned a little bit closer. So let's see. Green Lamborghini thing, red car. Yeah. Okay, you can see it's working pretty nicely. Let's check the next one. Yeah. As you can see, all the cars are different. So yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.